Okay, so far I've plugged everything together. I have my batteries in the wireless keyboard and the mouse, and my laptop's just about ready to be turned on. I also have my external monitor plugged in, so let me just go over everything that I have plugged together and tell you about the devices. First, I want to mention about the mouse. So the mouse itself, this Dell mouse that came with the keyboard, is just okay. It's a little on the light side. It feels a little cheap if you ask me, and I used to use, and I may go back to it, this Logitech mouse, which I really love. It's a little bit heavier, so it stays put, and it has on the left and right, it has these grooves with these little dots. It's like easier to grip, and again, I just like the shape of it and the feel. So I'm going to try out this mouse. I'm sure it'll work fine, but I have my old mouse in case. And as far as the laptop goes, on the left side, I've inserted the power here. So I'm just going to show you this diagram here of the side of the laptop. So I've plugged the power into one of these slots here, and it says Thunderbolt for power delivery, which delivers high-speed data transfer, outputs a video signal, and can deliver power to compatible devices, including charging a lightweight laptop simultaneously. The bandwidth of the Thunderbolt 4 ports have a 40 gigabytes per second bidirectional bandwidth. Okay, and then on the right side of the laptop, let me just move this over. It doesn't have the traditional USB that you used to have on the side. It has this little converter box, and the converter box has one USB and then the HDMI, and I have the device here plugged in that for my wireless keyboard and mouse, and then the HDMI cable is plugged in for my external monitor. I think that's everything I have plugged in, so I'm ready to turn my laptop on, and that's what I'll do next. If you want to see what happens next, I also have another video where I walk through the full first-time startup process. I put the link in the description below. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and smash the like button, and remember to subscribe so you don't miss any new videos. I'll see you in the next video. Bye now.